In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from your Bitget wallet to your Binance account. First, open the Bitget app and go to the Wallet tab in the bottom right corner. Look for your USDT balance and note the network it's on. If your USDT is on the TRC20 Tron network, make sure you also have some TRX to cover the gas fees. If you don't have TRX, tap the buy button and choose any listed provider to buy some. Bitget offers various options to purchase TRX easily. Enter the amount you want to spend in your currency, confirm the purchase, and your TRX will be added to your wallet. After receiving TRX, scroll through your wallet and tap on the USDT that's on the TRC20 network. Tap on USDT, then select send. You'll need the deposit address from Binance. So open your Binance app now. Switch to the Binance app. Log in if you haven't already. Inside Binance, you want to deposit USDT. Tap deposit, then choose crypto and search for USDT. Pick USDT and make sure to choose the TRC20 network. Copy the generated TRC20 wallet address. Go back to Bitget. Paste the copied Binance address and enter how much USDT you want to send. Tap confirm to send your USDT from Bitget to Binance. Switch back to Binance to check the incoming transaction. Go to the Binance wallet section, refresh the page, and you should see your USDT appear shortly. Look in your spot or funding wallet tab to confirm the USDT deposit. That's it. Leave a comment if you have any questions and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching.